So here is what the mermaid skirt looks like. Welcome to Joidala Fashion Guide. Today's video I'm going to be making a dress. I'm going to be starting with the down part of the dress, which is the mermaid skirt. So I've gone ahead to mark the length of the dress, the front part, which is 45. And then this fabric is unfold by 20 inches. So I'm going to mark the waist to the hip line. And then waist to the knee line. So I'll go ahead and impute my measurement, the waist measurement, the waist divided by 4. I'll mark it. And then I'll add seam allowance. So I'll go ahead and mark the waist, the hip divided by 4 plus 1 inch seam allowance. So this waist, from this hip line, just go up by 1 inch and also down by 1 inch. I want the hip area to be free. So I'll blend the waist to this upper one. Okay, and then on the knee, I'm going to be using, my hip is 12 inches on fold. My knee, I'm going to be using 10 inches on fold. And then I add seam allowance. So I have a total of 11, while for the hip I have 13. So I'll use this second mark to blend it. So we have this. When I'm cutting, I will blend that out. So I'll just go ahead and mark from here to this corner here. Then I'll measure what I have from here, from the knee to the hem. I have 26 and a half. So I'll come here and also mark the 26 and a half. So that means from this down part, I've gone up by 1.5 inch. So I'll just curve this into the skirt. So that is all for the front pattern. We'll cut it out. So this is the front pattern. We are going to be cutting the back pattern next. Next is to cut the back pattern. So I've laid out my fabric like this so that we don't waste it, and then I'll place the front pattern on top. We cut like this before, okay, so I've turned it now so that we don't waste the fabric. Then I'll leave some inches this way, and then the down part as well. For the down, I'm going to leave about 8 inches, and then for the side 7 inches. Just make sure that I have the 7 inches. Okay, we don't have up to 7, we have 6.5, which is still okay. 6.5. So I just make sure I have 6.5 all through. So I'm going to be marking the knee. I'm going to be indicating the knee line and the hip line again. So from here, I added seam to the top, so I will use 9.5. This is the hip line, and then this is the knee line. Hope you can see the line I'm marking. This is the knee line. Okay, so next we are going to add zipper allowance. I'm not going to be lining this skirt. So for the zip allowance, I'm going to use 1 inch. Okay, let's say 1.5. If it's too much later when I'm sewing out, I can always trim it. And then where the zipper will stop, so the zip is going to stop around here. So you can always use your zip. It's going to be a dress, so you can always use the length of your dress of your zip to determine. This is 24 inches long, and the upper part is going to be around 18 inches. So I'll mark 18 inches away. So the zipper is going to stop around here. Okay. So on this knee line, I'll just take 1/2 inch. So we'll connect here to here and then here to the hem. From here, I'll take it to this point. So that is what we have for the back pattern, and then we cut it out. So this is what we have for the back part. So to sew, we'll leave here open for now, or we'll use a loose stitch. So I'm going to stitch from here. From here. And then we take it straight down with 1/2 inch seam allowance. We take it straight down. So let's do that and see what we have. The back pattern after joining the center back. See how beautiful it is. So the next thing, I'll just place the front over the back and join the side. So we join the side with our seam allowance, then we turn the down with crinoline. That will be all for the down part. I'll see you in the next video when we are sewing the upper part. This is Joidala Fashion Guide. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.